Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will talk about Premiere Pro. So let's begin. Now here if we talk about how it works, here you can add an object. For that you can select pen selection here, which is a Premiere Pro feature combined with Adobe's Firefly feature. Now here you can write the prompt what you want to generate in that. Here I have written for diamond and now you can see that they have added the diamonds. Similarly, here you can also remove the object. For that you have to go here to Magic, then you can go to Adobe Firefly and here you can select the object that you want to remove. You can see that how easy it is. Now here I have selected the object and I have applied here remove object. Here you can see that how smooth it turned out. You can see one more example and here you can also see one more example. Similarly, here you can also change the watch logo as I did. And here if you want to hold on object for a long time, you can do that with this Premiere Pro. Here you can see that we want to extend this area. Just simply go to here extend and here you can do that with Adobe Firefly. Here just you have to select how much you want to extend and here you can see that Adobe Firefly has generated it flawlessly. Here you can use Adobe with third-party apps, like here if you want to extend that. Here this time I will not go with Adobe, I will go with Pika. And let's see how it will generate it. Here you can see that Pika has also generated it flawlessly. Now let's go and test out OpenAI's Sora model. Here I have just selected the area and here now I will just write the prompt what I want. Here now simply generate. Now you can see that it has given us few options. You can select from these options and here you can see that how it turned out. Now let's go and see it run away. Here I have just selected the area and now we'll write the prompt and generate. Here you can see that again we have three options. You can select from these options and here you can see that how it turned out. To be honest, Premiere Pro's new features are really exciting. I will tell you more about its features and how you can access that. Here I have opened the website and you can see the option Premiere Pro here. Now here in Premiere Pro you can see the features. Here if we talk about the new feature that this Premiere Pro offers, here you can see all the features. Here you can extend your audio and video clips. And here you can research unlimited footages with their end of endless researching. And you can also create here captions automatically with the help of this Premiere Pro beta. Here you can also do the reimagined color management and you can also check their content sensitive properties plan and etc. Now if we talk about its editing feature, here you can see all the editing feature mode that they offer. Here you can organize your footages fast with the help of this Premiere Pro beta. And here you can edit like a pro by using a professional editing techniques. And here you can also trim with industrial standard tools. And the best thing is that you can work faster here with text-based editing. And here you can edit multiple clips at once. This is really insane and good things. Now here if we talk about its effects, here you can see all the effects. Here you can add transition easily. And here you can also apply built-in effect and you can replace the background. And you can link access between apps and all that. These are the features that this Premiere Pro offers. So you can see here all about the titles as well. Here you can add different titles to your images and you can customize motion graphic here as well. And you can adapt and you can align title responsibly. And you can also create from speech to text here and you can use motion graphics. And you can import images from other apps as well for writing the text. And here you can also do the color correcting thing. Here you can see the before and after thing here. Here you can set our motion with color as well and all that. Here now for audio you can use their enhance speech where you can give a professional touch to your audio and you can use their audio effects and you can do all the remix and all etc here. Now if we talk about how you can save these videos, here for exporting you can see that you can export directly to your social medias and you can also change expect with AI. That was all about the feature that this Premiere Pro offers. Now if I compare this Premiere Pro's plan with other editing apps plan, so let's see which is better. Now here let's go and find out. Now here you can see Premiere Pro's monthly and annually prices and you can see Creative Cloud AI's monthly and annually prices. Now here you can see that both are best for individuals and all that. And here both offer the 7-day free trial and here you can see the price. And here you can see the cloud storage for both this app and generative credits for both these apps. And here you can see all these features. And here if we compare price wise and the feature wise, I think here that Premiere Pro is better. Now if I go and I give you the overview about this Premiere Pro, here you can see a photo without editing and how it will look after the editing. Here you can see the before and after effect. And you can see how this Premiere Pro basically works. Here we have used their auto color feature, and just with one click you can see how much better this picture now looks. Now here you can see the tools that work smarter here. Here you can see how smarter these tools work. Now here you can balance the color and you can set the tone with just one graph here. Here you can see the changes that appear on this picture. Here you can also mix audios for a member per soundtrack. Here you can also set this feature. Here you can also add eye-catching effects. Here you can also add text animation. So here if I show you how it works, here you can see that how these text animations work. Here you can see how cool this text animation looks. And that was all about this Premiere Pro's overview. Now here if I give you details about their free trial, here you can see their 7-day free trial and you can see how you can get that, and you can see this plan basically starts from day 1 and here it ends on day 8. And here for complete refund you have to cancel this plan within the 14 days. And that was all about Premiere Pro's overview, features, subscription and plans. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.